Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the daily time frame, I mean, we definitely still have that broken structure up. Looking at the dollar index, I still think there is a chance that it could break up very easily and end up making a pullback to the last five waves down. But the fact that it hasn't broken up and it's sitting at this fib level kind of consolidated means that if it does break down on sort of time frames, then it probably is the end of a correction and it probably is going to keep on going down. So definitely a little bit of a crucial area. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying yesterday, if it breaks and holds below this structure, I think that possibly is going to prove that this is the end of a wave. Why? If it doesn't break and hold below this structure, but instead goes to a Fibonacci level and ends up making a nice bounce, we definitely could go up and end up breaking the structure to the upside on the daily time frame. So kind of a very crucial area. We are watching for long still definitely, but we are also watching for a significant break of structure to the downside to prove that this is possibly the end of a pullback on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.